this week's vlog is gonna be a month-end maintenance vlog. We've got a few things planned up for today. Hold on, I'm at a robot. Okay, we need to go wax. We need to wax kitty cat and my legs. Then I want to do a full pedicure because my feet are disgusting and backed up. I just need them to scrub everything. I'm not doing my nails just yet because I'm okay with them for now. And I want to cut my hair and dye my hair. But yeah, come along. Let's go and get all of that stuff done. I'm really excited about my feet because I haven't had a pedicure in a couple of months. Because I do my own gelish. But sometimes it's nice to have somebody else touch your feet. Okay, so I'm back home. Got a haircut. Looking good, I think. Yeah, the guy did a good job. He lined me up a little bit. So now I'm watching some Netflix and about to color my hair. I've already mixed the bleach. I am gonna go for an ash blonde, but I need to bleach my black hair first and then I'll put the color. This is the brand I'm using. I've been using this brand for a long time. I have some hot chocolate and I also had a Cook Sister. I don't know if, yeah, Cook Sisters. They're so yummy, they're so delicious. Anyway, so I just mixed half and half because my head is really short. And now my head is really small rather, and my hair is short rather. So yeah, mixing away. I think I'm gonna sit with the bleach for about an hour, 30 minutes probably, and then tomorrow morning I will color my hair ash blonde. So here goes. I am done with the bleaching step as well as the dyeing step of, wow, the dyeing step, the dyeing application of the dye on my hair, and this is what it looks like. I am in love with it, absolutely in love. So what I'm gonna do now is just carry on with my co-wash. I co-wash once a week, and just to get rid of the build-up and add nourishment and moisture, hydration back to my hair and scalp. When you go bleach, I'm not gonna lie, the bleach sucks the life and soul out of your scalp and your hair. So I deep condition, co-wash and deep condition every week, and I only put like gel as and when I need it, because when it's this low and you just brush it, wet it and brush it, you do get that wave action. So this is what I do and how I do my hair almost every single month. Sometimes I don't cut it, and I'll just go and get a trim to make it neat around the edges and just peroxide it or bleach it and let it stay a little bit more afro-y and puffy. That's how you get a little bit more curl and definition, like a teeny weeny afro, like a teeny weeny afro kind of vibe. And other times I really like it nice and low, because then I can get the wave action and it just gives me a little bit more of an edge and a spunk. It's also a great conversation starter, like, hey, your hair looks so cool and, you know, blonde. And I'm like, yeah, black people can actually go really short and really blonde at the same time and look really put together. So I thoroughly love this look. I can totally understand why Mary J, Blige and Beyonce have been blonde for the longest times. So do not be scared of color, just find the right color for you. I will either do a monthly bleach and dye, or I will do just a bleach. It just depends on what I feel like. I really do enjoy the ash brown, because I find that the dye color, the ash brown dye color, just brings out another element of that golden blonde yellow hue to my hair with the bleach on top, well, underneath that. And it also brings out such great complexion and adds to my you know, that enigma. Oh, like, where is she from? Who's that? Like, ooh. It makes me more exotic, and I thoroughly love that. So I doubt that I'll be going short, or another color anytime soon. I really do enjoy the blonde. So yeah, that's it. New skincare, and it just arrived this Tuesday morning. Let's just get this opened. So my skin has been a little bit crazy lately. I think I've just been going through a lot of stressful things. So the rosacea and acne has just been kind of like, you know, messing me up. And I've been getting a little bit more oilier than normal. So I think what I would like to introduce into my skincare for the next couple of months is hydration. A lot of oiliness or oily skin comes from dehydrated skin. So I've upped my water intake. I'm currently only drinking alkaline water that I buy from my mom. I'll actually leave her details down below for people that are based in Durban. Alkaline water is excellent for high value or high quality hydration, amongst all the other benefits that it has for skin, gut health, just the way your body operates and opening up your body. But anyway, that's just one of the things I've been doing. And then topically, I will be adding these products to my skincare regime. I got these from Shop Glow Theory. I've been using Shop Glow Theory for a while. This Claire's freshly juiced vitamin E mask. It's basically a very nourishing, hydrating mask with antioxidants. The antioxidant here being vitamin E, which is great for building collagen and just repairing your skin to the state that it needs to be, because vitamin E is what your skin obviously recognizes. It has niacinamide, great for uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation. Yeah, so this is something that you can use as a wash off mask or just as a moisturizer. I think I'm going to be doing this every night for the next week, just to boost my hydration overnight. The second item I got was this highly recommended product by somebody I follow on skincare YouTube, James Welsh. And this is basically a Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one moisturizing gel cream. Because I have oily skin, I do not want to add too much moisture onto my skin. I want something lightweight but also hydrating. And he highly recommended this because he says that the moisture levels are great, but it keeps your oil in control. And remember, I need to hydrate, and snail mucin is absolutely good for topical hydration. Think glass skin. Definitely what I would want to do. Before I obviously put that on, I will be putting this on, and it's the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I've been using this. I think this is like my 4th or 5th bottle since I started Korean skincare, I think about 2 years ago. I cannot talk highly enough about this. It's the most hydrating, effective essence. It's like a gel-ish kind of vibe. You wash your face, you put this, and then you put that, and then you put your sunscreen. Absolutely worth the purchase. All right, now what I'm gonna do is carry on getting dressed. I will put on my sunscreen off camera. Sunscreen is extremely important, whether you're black, white, Puerto Rican. If you know me from Instagram, in real life, whatever, you know that if you come to me and, oh yeah, I've got marks, sunscreen, sunscreen. All right, so this is my favorite sunscreen. This is my 2nd bottle this year. It is the BioNike Defense Sun Fluid Lotion. Very high protection, which is the only thing we go for on this channel. Very high protection. SPF 30 being the minimum. We do not do less than, okay? Our standards are high, girlfriend. So I'm gonna let my moisturizer sit for like another 2 minutes, because you want your moisturizer to like get into the places that it needs to get into and do the things that it needs to do before you protect. So I'll do that off camera. I hope you guys like this mini haul, skincare routine. Yeah, so just hydration and protection. That's all I'm going for this month. An honorable mention in my month-end shake-up is introducing a more colorful, whole food-based diet, just to be a bit more intentional with what I eat and put into my body, coupled with intermittent fasting and regular exercise. Apart from my monthly beauty treatments that I get done at a beauty salon, I also do my monthly skincare and hair care maintenance. Comment down below if you'd like to see an extended version of this reel. I know that a lot of us are facing extremely trying times during this panoramic, and this video is by no means to brag about the privileges that I have. It's more so to remind you that you need to maintain a healthy body and mind more than the cosmetic treatments that I have achieved, so that you will always feel and ultimately look your best.